Perfect. Good girl.
£98.66 per night. I hope you enjoy your stay.
What do you make of the
Llama, 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 llama.
Give me that monkey. Give me that monkey. Give me that monkey. Give me the monkey. Give it to me.
Dude.
What have you done?
Did you eat our...
Did you eat all my pancakes? Did you eat all my pancakes? Why are you smiling? Stop smiling. Did you eat all my pancakes?
Are you having a stroke?
Stop laughing. Dude, did you eat all my pancakes?
This is how she responds to being called beautiful.
Honey, you are the most beautiful girl in the whole entire world. Yes, you. You are my baby. You're perfect. Do you agree?
Cheddar, what are you doing? Don't play in my dress.
How are you feeling? You enjoying the summer weather? Amongst all my weeds?
What are you saying? No. We don't bark at the delivery man. Hold it in. Hold it in.
Do you hear this shiz? They act like they are dying. Privileged AF. Not guilty at
Watch my dog go full diva.
You can have some.
Do you wanna go KFC? There's meat at home.
What's under that hood? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
What do you have? Why do you have my cell phone? Drop it. Drop it.
My mom does not love me anymore. She said I have to find a new home.
Maven, I did not say that. I said you couldn't have second breakfast.
You're kind of in my space.
Thor? Thor! Come over here. Yes, you did. Come over here. Okay. You don't get treats.
We're gonna go meet that girl Paisley I told you about. Remember I told you it was her birthday and we're gonna go meet her today? Me and my boy are gonna meet her, okay? We're gonna go to her house right now.
Daisy, say, I want to speak to a manager. I want to speak to a manager.
Of course, what can I get you? Jake, what are you doing?
Where's the rock that you like?
You got water right here, dude. Hey. Hey, stop that. Look, your water's right here. It's a lot easier.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy.
Wipe your feet. Good girl.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Can I help you? Can I use the bathroom? Thank you. I just need a little privacy.
Wait, Toto. Did you hear that? It's the sound of you being a little bitch.
Oh. Bir tane daha. Oh. Melo. Ne oldu?
Boop. Bachi. Boop. Yuki. Boop. Teddy. Boop. Olive. Boop. And Fendi.
How are you doing? Are you okay? No. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Is that a yes?
Head up to the back of the house here, see if the watchdog is on guard or not. Oh, there he is right there. Oh, he moved a little bit. Hey, if somebody's here, you gonna get him? Come on, boy, let's go.
Hey, Hodge. You know how I'm your mom? Well, my real name is Michaela. Yeah. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to tell you, but it's the truth.